Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious steak chipotle bowl. First, select a quality cut of steak, such as sirloin or flank, for the best texture and taste. Marinate your steak for at least 30 minutes or even overnight to infuse it with rich flavors. Then, slice the steak thinly against the grain to ensure tenderness in every bite. This preparation is key to a perfect bowl. Next, let's cook that steak to perfection. Heat a skillet to medium-high and sear your marinated steak strips for just 2 to 3 minutes per side until beautifully browned. While the steak rests, prepare your fluffy cilantro lime rice. Combine cooked rice with fresh lime juice and chopped cilantro for a vibrant base. This combination creates a fantastic foundation for your bowl. Now it's time to assemble your amazing chipotle bowl. Begin with a generous serving of the fragrant cilantro lime rice as your base. Layer on some seasoned black beans and sweet corn for added texture and flavor. Don't forget a spoonful of fresh salsa or pico de gallo to bring a bright, zesty kick to your creation. These layers build the core of your delicious meal. Finally, let's add those irresistible finishing touches. Drizzle your bowl generously with a creamy chipotle sauce for that signature flavor. Sprinkle on some fresh shredded lettuce and a handful of your favorite cheese, like Monterey Jack. A dollop of fresh guacamole or sliced avocado completes this masterpiece. Enjoy your homemade, restaurant-quality steak chipotle bowl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.